Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Cash App account. First, open the Cash App on your phone. When the app opens, you'll be asked to enter your phone number or email. Choose the one you prefer. Cash App will send you a verification code. Go ahead and open your messages or email. Copy the code, and paste it back into the app. Next, Cash App will ask you to link your bank account. You can add it now or tap skip if you want to do it later. After that, enter your first and last legal name. Then you'll be asked to create your hashtag. This is your unique name that people search for when sending you money. Once you finish those steps, your new Cash App account is ready to use. And that's it. That's how to set up a Cash App account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.